In this video, we will talk about how to fix Windows Update. Something went wrong. Try to open settings later. Method 1. Services. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. In here, search for Windows Update and Update Orchestrator Services. Right-click, select Properties. Change the startup type to Automatic. Start the services if it's not running. Then click on Apply and OK. And check if it helps to fix your issue. Method 2. Windows Update Reset and System Repair. Click in Search. Type Notepad. Select Open. Copy-paste the following commands in here. I have mentioned in the description. Click on File. Select Save As. Select Desktop. Add the file name and make sure to add .bat extension at the end. Then click on Save. Once you have this file, right-click and select Run as Administrator. Click on Yes. Type Y to run the script. This script resets update components, repairs system files, rebuilds caches, and fixes network components. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.